Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in again and again and again. If you guys have not already, make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. If you guys want to see how I got this little bomb cherry red little sexy look going on, make sure you guys stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy the video. Alright, so like always, you want to make sure that your hair is braided back or in a ponytail. However, just make sure it's flat. You want to start off by cleaning your skin with alcohol. Typically, you would use 91%. I only had, I think it was 70 something percent, but I didn't get the job done. Make sure you clean the area where the lace is going to lay. You don't have to use a bald cap. I have other videos on my channel without the bald cap. But I'm going to go ahead and use it for this particular video. I'm actually not going to glue it down. This is only a closure. You can glue it down, you know, and cut off the excess, but it was not necessary in this case. So I'm going to pull the cap up pretty far, as you guys see, to the left side, because that's where my unit is going to lay. The right side, my edges are exposed because there's no lace going to be on that side. So you're going to go ahead and grab your makeup of your choice. Typically you would use a darker shade makeup so that way it doesn't show through the lace. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm going to remove the excess makeup from my skin. This is the unit. Seeing the inside of the unit. So if you were to place an order with me, all of our units are machine made unless specified, and they are fully customized. So I'm going to take that same makeup brush that I used for the bald cap, and I'm going to just spread that inside of the lace. I did not put any other makeup on it. I just used whatever was left over on the brush and patted it on the lace. So you want to make sure that, you know, you position your unit correctly before you start to, you know, mold anything down, baby hair, anything like that. So you want to pull the unit down to the back of your hairline. So basically, like, I think people have problem with how the unit is supposed to fit. So if you have braids like I do, you want to pull the unit down all the way to the bottom of the braids, basically. So obviously, you know, I tucked my braids, so I'm going to pull the unit all the way down to the back of my braids. So for this video, I'm using Hair by Ericka J. What is this? Fluff stuff, I think it's called. I'm so sorry if I'm saying it wrong. And I'm using some Sebastian spray. Now this is just to make sure the cap doesn't go anywhere, because I do plan on wearing this for a couple days. Now the step that I just did with the foam and the hairspray, that's optional. That's not necessary. So you guys, I was jamming to the Ashanti and Keisha Cole verses during this video. So you may see me dancing, smiling, the whole nine. So I'm just taking out the baby hair. So I always pretty much do my baby hair with some foam. It helps them move easier. Sometimes I'll use gel, but most of the time I do use some type of foam. Whether it's this one, Nairobi, Afro G, doesn't matter. I pretty much always just use foam. So you guys will see the baby hair was giving me hell. And I mean, it happens, especially when you're installing a unit and you don't really know, you know, how you want the baby hair to look, or even if you want to wear baby hair. So you guys will just see me playing around, trying to figure out, you know, what it is I wanted to do. Yeah. It's a no for me, sis. It's a no. It's a hard no. It's a hell no. Yeah, no. So I was using the comb. Sometimes the comb works, sometimes it doesn't. So I actually went ahead and got my edge brush, and it's working much better. So I'm still playing around with it, trying to figure out the look that I wanted to go for. Finally, I got one side how I want it, and now we will work on the other. And you guys noticed that I did not mold the lace down. Yeah, I just put it on, cut the excess lace, and I went ahead and started on the baby hair. So I decided no baby hair on this side because it was just looking a hot mess. So now that I have all the foam on the lace from trying to do the baby hair, I'm just going to use that to mold the lace. So I'm going to put my blow dryer on warm, medium, and I'm going to mush the lace into my skin with the back of the rat tail comb. Okay, baby hair looks good. The lace will continue to melt once I put the scarf down. So while we're waiting for the lace to melt, or to dry, excuse me, I decided I'll just go ahead and do my eyebrows because I needed to finish the look anyway. So I just went ahead and did my eyebrows with you guys on camera. If you guys would want like a more detailed video of me doing like my eyebrows, please let me know, comment down below, and I'll work on getting that out to you guys. So I showed you everything that I used. I used the eyebrow pencil, I used concealer or spoolie, and that's it. So right now I'm just using my pencil. I'm so sorry, I don't know the name of anything that I'm using right now because this video was not dedicated to that. But again, if you guys would like to see a more in-depth detail video, slow motion and all, just let me know, and I'll have all the details in that video. One thing I will say, when you are drawing on your eyebrows, because you're using a pencil, it will create like a harsh line. So to get rid of that harsh line, you want to make sure that you're always brushing it out with that spoolie. So you guys will see me do that quite often, like I am now, using the spoolie to get rid of any like harsh lines. All right, so left side is done, right side is not. I'm just showing you guys the difference. So I put my lashes on and did the other side off camera, but now this wrap is ready to come off. Voila. That is how the lace and the baby hair, because I only did one. So the lace and the baby hair is looking. I'm going to go ahead and comb out the crunchies. And then I'm going to proceed to use my hot comb to get the front of my hair to lay the way that I have in mind. This also gave me hell. It just would not, it would not cooperate until the very end. It's always like that. It's like when you're about to say fuck it and move on, it always works. So you guys will see me use my wax stick, my hairspray, my hot comb, my heat protectant / oil sheen, plus my hairspray again, plus my hot comb again. It just would not give me that look. So I was going for that, like, that look where it's like humped up in the front or whatever, and then the bang just falls like so effortlessly. But we're gonna get it. But just keep watching so you know what not to do. Y'all, I was literally trying everything. I'm like, why it's not laying right? Let me put this clip here, see if that will work. Nope. And I like to use the back of the hot comb because it gets, right at the root where you may not be able to if you're using the comb the other way. Almost, sis. Almost. But it's still a no. Nope. Okay, so I went ahead and figured it out off camera. So this is the final look. This is a 4x4 closure unit. I absolutely love it. Easy to take on and off. Installation will take about 10 minutes if you were to take it off every day. Not even, because you don't have to do your baby hair over every day. So if you guys are interested in placing an order, please visit my website. It's www.thedreyamichellebrand.com. Thank you guys for watching.